unusual cleaners you can find at home. Welcome to FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. Whitening Gel Toothpaste. Whitening Gel Toothpaste is not only used to give you a healthy and beautiful smile. They also have a range of other uses around your home. It can get rid of scuffs from your shoes, clean your sneakers and clothes iron, deodorize baby bottles, prevent mirrors from fogging, shine your kitchen and bathroom chrome, as well as remove crayon marks from your walls. It can remove beach tar, watermarks from your furniture, and stain from your carpet. Hot water. Various reports have indicated that cleaning with hot water is more effective rather than using cold water. Hot water also cleans better since it can help melt fats, oil, and grease. Warm water. Meanwhile, warm water can help remove more dirt when you are cleaning because it is more comfortable to the hands. It also works better when it comes to dissolving soap, which will be of great use when you are cleaning the bathroom or kitchen. Baby powder. Baby powder is a medicine cabinet staple that you can use when cleaning your house. By sprinkling a bit of baby powder in your old drawer, you will be able to get rid of its musty smell. Dabbing baby powder on any oil-based stain will also help you get rid of it easily. Also, you can keep ants away from your kitchen by blocking their path with baby powder. Watch our other cleaning videos and find out how you can use baby oil for cleaning. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you're always updated whenever we upload new videos. Check the descriptions below for a list of our favorite products that we highly recommend.